Hi, I'm Donna, and welcome to the Disney Dish Kitchen. I am a Disney travel agent, and you can imagine right now it is a hard time for our family and for all of yours as well, we realize. Now, with Disney World being temporarily closed, we need to bring that happiness home to our own families in our own way. One way we're trying to keep the Disney magic alive in our family is by cooking some of our favorite Disney recipes here at home. It's something that my family started doing many, many years ago when my kids were small. We used to go to Disney quite often, at least once a year. When we couldn't be there, we were trying to make recipes from some of our favorite Disney restaurants and Disney snacks. Some of them are still on the menu. Others are from years past. So those of you out there who have been going to Disney for a long time like us might recognize some of these, and some things you may be missing. Well, here's a way to have them again. As the restaurants change, they move chefs around. Every chef wants to bring something different to the table. They all bring their own spin on things or change the menu up. So yes, some of these recipes are classics and things that you may not be able to find now, but they're just as delicious, and some of them I think should come back. I know many of you are planning Disney trips or have been and are missing the opportunity to go back, and other people who I've just recently had to, let them know their trips are canceled, and worse, they've had to tell their kids. Here's a way to, like I said, celebrate Disney, keep that magic alive, and have a virtual vacation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can have a library of all these recipes, and ring the bell so you're notified when we have new ones. If there's something you'd like to see, if you have a recipe that you can share with us, please do so. We would love to make it. It's going to be a few more weeks while we're still all hunkering down to flatten the curve, and we'll come out of this, I think, better in the long run. I mean, it's wonderful to see how the country has come together and how so many people are supporting each other. And it really is showcasing the best that America and the world is about. And with that spirit, let's keep that magic alive. Let's celebrate the happiest place on earth. And for now, let's make that happiest place home. So since I'm not the cook in the family, I'm going to turn this over to my daughter Kira, who's going to show you how to make today's very special recipe. It's a real Disney favorite that I think a lot of people are going to be very excited about.
Hi, I'm Kira, and today we're making Dole Whip. Dole Whip is one of the most popular and most recognized food items at Disney World. It's a really great use of a snack credit if you're on the dining plan. Originally, Dole Whip was only available in Adventureland in Magic Kingdom. Now you can also get it at the Pineapple Lanai at the Polynesian Resort. Disney likes to mix it up a little bit, and sometimes they add new flavors. They have a raspberry flavor which they use for the Hey Hey cone. They also have a lime flavor that they use for the Maleficent cone, as well as the Tafiti cone. Disney comes out with these different cones all the time, so keep an eye out for new ones. Besides those specialty cones, it's served in a few different ways. You can get it just plain in a cup as a float with pineapple juice in the bottom. You can get it on top of some pineapple upside down cake, or if you go to the Pineapple Lanai at the Polynesian, you can get it with rum on top. It's really smooth and creamy and a really easy recipe to make at home with your kids. It only has 3 ingredients. You'll need Dole pineapple juice, vanilla ice cream, and frozen pineapple. We had a hard time finding frozen pineapple right now, but you can use canned or fresh and freeze it yourself. If you're freezing it yourself, make sure you lay it out onto a baking sheet in one single layer and freeze it. That way it doesn't all stick together into one big ball. Okay, let's make some Dole Whip. Into a blender, add 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 big scoop of vanilla ice cream, and 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Blend it all together until it's really thick and smooth and creamy. Our favorite way to have Dole Whip is as a pineapple float. You can scoop it right out of the blender and into a cup, or you can pipe it and it'll look like it just came out of a soft serve machine. We were a little skeptical of the recipe at first, but it tastes surprisingly very close to the one that you get in the park. It's cool and refreshing, it tastes like summer, and brings some Disney magic into your home. It would be really fun to make up your own recipes and flavors using different frozen fruits and juices. If you do this, comment below and let us know how it turned out.
So thank you again for joining us. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Like I said, let us know what recipes you'd like to see. If you'd like to see more information about the parks tied in with the recipes, or you just want to get to the cooking, let us know. We'd love to hear from you.
You can find the link to the full recipe in this video in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
By the way, did you happen to spot the hidden Mickey? You'll find this recipe and more at our website, thedisneydish.com.